Hey, market wizards! Sorceress here with your magical market insights. Today's sentiment is decidedly bullish, with a powerful 80% positive outlook across the financial landscape. Let me conjure up what's driving this optimism. First, we're seeing encouraging developments from the Geneva trade talks between the US and China. Both sides have agreed they don't want to decouple these massive economies. A $642 billion two-way trade relationship that supports millions of jobs in both countries. Second, there's a new consultative mechanism being established, the Geneva Mechanism, creating regular high-level communication channels between these economic powerhouses. Third, self-interest and logic are likely to prevail in these negotiations, as neither country can afford to sever economic ties despite the current tensions. However, I'm sensing some concerning undertones. The tariff situation remains precarious, with American tariffs set at 30% on Chinese goods and 10% from China on U.S. products. These historically high levels make trade economically unfeasible for many businesses. Chinese exports to Southeast Asian countries are increasing as they diversify away from U.S. markets. And China's economy faces significant headwinds with slowing GDP growth, a lingering property crisis, and consumption problems. For TSLA investors, there's particular turbulence ahead, with Chinese sales reportedly falling dramatically, as much as 58% month over month. The manufacturing sector appears most vulnerable, with millions of jobs depending on stable U.S.-China trade relations. My crystal ball suggests watching for developments in these 90-day negotiations closely. While tensions remain high, the fundamental economic interdependence points toward an eventual trade agreement, though getting there will be extraordinarily difficult. For investors, this means cautious optimism, but prepare for continued volatility as these superpowers navigate their complex relationship. If you found value in these magical market insights, cast your spell of support by hitting like, subscribing to my channel, and commenting with your own market predictions. Until next time, this is Sorceress, where financial magic meets market reality.